Alright guys, we are railroad track hobomaxing magnet fishing today. You know, I know there's a lot of stuff back here. I've seen a lot of people come through here and throw their stuff in the water. So we're gonna start off right here. I'm gonna hit the bridges as I go along, hit it over each river, toss the magnet in a few times, see what we can get. Alright, I like this spot because I'm confident that people throw stuff in the water over here. It's kind of flat. It's a lot of muck for stuff to settle in. The river's not running too hard over here either. So I think this would be a good spot to start off. And I'm already having trouble with the bridge again because I basically got it stuck in the most awful part of the bridge. But oh, this is loose. Okay, not gonna be able to hang on to that, but then I can pull it off. It's kind of cool under here though. Huh. When people sleep in a hammock under here, I totally would do that. All right, there we go. Got something interesting. After all the BS, I finally start to find some stuff. So, all right, got a battery. And guys, I'm not going to be able to bring anything super heavy back because I'm too far out there, so I'm going to have to safely release it. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's part of the railroad track. Okay. Got something. Relatively small, though. Oh, you know what? This looks like the canister for an airsoft gun. Oh, there you go. There we go. Looks like my magnet's got a pretty good grip on it. Oh wow, this is actually quite heavy. Looks like it's a crossbeam or a tie for the railroad track. Which shouldn't be a shocker, but oh, look at this. That just happened to be down there. But honestly, I could probably throw this in a tub of whatever you want to call it and put this in my toolbox. It's a pretty big wrench. This is ready for. Okay. Okay. Pipe. Alright, so I'm at the spot that I want to be at. This is a much bigger bridge. I feel like this is where the meat on the bone is. As you can see, there is a large pond right here. And I think that what I can do, I think I can cast off the bridge and see what I'm getting or whatnot. And once I'm at that point, I can actually get in the water because I got the waders on, and I can go to the point where it gets too deep and cast from there because that's probably where I would find more stuff. But been back here before. There's a cesspool of carp over there, so I'm sure there's lures and stuff and whatnot. So that's the plan for now. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, roadway sign. Yes. Hey, that's kind of cool. I got, but that's not bad. It's an S for whatever reason. So I walked around for a couple minutes here. Found quite a few golf balls, and there's hundreds in there. So maybe grab some of these, wash them, and go hit a few long drives into the cornfield. Deviating from the magnet fishing because I think I saw something back here. We'll go check it out and see what it is. I ain't here, stay out, everybody included. So, homelessness, actually a pretty big issue in the area. I mean, I know a lot of people don't like the fact that I'm encroaching on a homeless camper. I'm not interested in going around and bothering homeless people, but curious what's in the woods. Making some progress. I don't know if it's gonna want to come up all the way, but all right, I think it will. I think it will. Nope. Let's get the magnet right on top of it. That way we can just have full strength. There we go. Okay. It's like a Cadillac converter. It's not that. Part of the exhaust system. I mean, that'll just about do it. I'm gonna get better at scouting, finding locations with more possibilities, but not a bad day. Had a good time.